What do you think? Is Israeli government a fool or a genius that they are spending billions of dollars to buy a jet design from the 1970s, the F-15IA? Well, you will get this answer in a while. You will also know about missile truck strategy, how this is going to create job opportunities for almost a decade in America, why these planes won't be fighting in any current wars, and the reason of the controversies around this topic. The F-35 is the most advanced fighter jet on the planet. It's invisible to radar. It sees everything, and Israel already has them. But there is something that F-35 is incapable of doing. On December 29, 2025, the Pentagon announced a massive deal for Boeing to build the new F-15IA for Israel. First, let's look at the sticker price. The contract awarded to Boeing is worth $8.58 billion. This covers 25 brand-new jets known as the F-15IA. IA stands for Israel Advanced, with an option to buy 25 more later. These aren't being built in Tel Aviv. They're being built in St. Louis, Missouri. This deal is a lifeline for the Boeing production line, securing American manufacturing jobs through the next decade. But here's the billion-dollar question. If you have a Ferrari, why are you buying a heavy-duty pickup truck? Think of the F-35 as a sniper. It sneaks behind enemy lines, invisible to radar, and takes precise shots. But to stay invisible, it has to hide all its weapons inside its belly. That limits how much it can carry. The new F-15IA? It's not a sniper. It's a missile truck. Because it doesn't care about being stealthy, it carries its weapons on the outside. We are talking about 13 to 14 tons of bombs and missiles. Here's the strategy. The invisible F-35 goes in first, kicks down the door, and destroys the enemy radar. Once the coast is clear, the F-15 follows behind, carrying the heavy firepower to level the target. So what are these 25 jets actually for? Two words: range and bunkers. The F-15IA is built for long-range strikes, specifically targets as far away as Iran. It has massive fuel tanks that allow it to fly further without refueling than the F-35 can. The F-15 is one of the few fighter jets capable of carrying the massive bunker-busting bombs needed to destroy fortified underground nuclear sites. The F-35 simply can't carry those monster bombs inside its stealth bays. Also, unlike the single-seat F-35, the F-15IA has two seats. In a complex war, the guy in the front flies the plane, while the weapons systems officer in the back manages the drones, missiles, and electronic warfare. It's a flying command center. This deal is for the future. The contract says work runs through 2035. The deliveries of these new jets aren't expected to even start until 2031. This isn't about fighting Hamas today. This is about maintaining air superiority in the 2030s and 2040s against advanced threats. We can't talk about this deal without talking about the controversies and where the money comes from. This $8.6 billion price tag is largely funded through foreign military financing. That is essentially U.S. aid money that Israel is required to spend on American defense products. The deal has sparked intense backlash. The Council on American Islamic Relations, CAIR, slammed the contract, calling it a reward for genocide and morally indefensible. There was also a lot of political drama behind the scenes. So, Israel isn't replacing the future with the past. They are buying the F-15IA because in a long war, stealth is great, but quantity and payload have a quality all their own. What do you think? Is the missile truck strategy the right move, or should they have gone all in on the F-35? Let me know in the comments below. And do not forget to like and subscribe.